Welcome to this neck and shoulder stretch. This is a great stretch for when you've been at your desk or working over projects all day. We're going to get moving quickly in breath and movement. So find yourself comfortably seated in a steady chair and let's go. We're going to start simply today. Rolling the shoulders. You're going to inhale, roll your shoulders up towards your ears, forwards and up. And as you exhale, go back and down. And the whole arms can be involved in this. Inhale, shrug them forwards and up. And exhale, roll them back and down. Let's go forwards and up. Deep breath into belly, into chest. Full exhale as they roll back and down. Good. Twice more, please. Roll them forwards and up. And back and down. One more. Nice and high, and then relax them down. Widen your feet. Hands to knees. Puff your chest up and arch your back. Round your back, chin to chest. And inhale, lift up the heart. Pull the elbows back towards your ribs. So your chest puffs forwards and up towards where ceiling and wall meet in front of you. And as you exhale around your whole back, allowing the chin to come towards your chest. And again, lovely full inhale, arch your back. And exhale, allow it to round. Keep moving with your breath, please. Just trying to loosen up any tension. And round. Just one more. And you'll inhale and lift fully, and instead of rounding, you'll come to neutral in your spine and walk your hands down to the floor. And then it can softly round. Not too much, not forcing anything. Just allowing your chin to drop down towards your chest. And let the head and neck relax. Soften your jaw. Soften your eyes. Maybe even close them if you've been looking at a screen. Let them rest. Deep breath in. And slow exhale. You can push into your feet and roll your way back up again. And we're going to take our hands to a clasp behind us. So you interlace all of your fingers together behind your back. Now, if that doesn't feel good in your shoulders, you can also hold your chair on the sides and do the same shoulder movement here. So you're going to really focus on rolling the upper arms open, like you're making your collarbones smile. Lifting up the chest, squeezing your shoulder blades together, and then letting them round forwards and relax. We'll do that a few times. You're going to open up into your chest, and like I say, you can hold the chair and do the same action, and relax. Lift and open, and relax. And lift and open, and relax. Good, just one more. Open everything up, a big squeeze. Get some of that stiffness out of the upper back, and relax it to neutral. Let your hands come back into your thighs, but let your left arm then reach out to the side. Tilt your right ear towards your right shoulder, or tilt your head over to the right, and just move your head around. And stretch gently into the left side of your neck. You can try lifting your chin a few degrees. You can try lowering it towards your collarbone. There's no wrong way to move here. And lift your head up and bring that left hand to the side of your head. Now you'll turn your chest open, lifting that left elbow up and back. And then try and bring your left elbow towards your right knee. It doesn't have to touch. And then bring it up and open again. You can use some pressure, right hand inside of your right knee, to help you open up. And then release that pressure and bring the elbow across. Another time, open it up. And bring it across. Come to neutral and stretch your left hand straight up. Hang on to your chair and side stretch. And you can keep your head quite neutral here, just looking straight forwards. If it feels okay, you could try looking down towards the floor. And you could also try looking up under your left upper arm. And back to neutral. Reach. Hang on to that chair. Good, and come back up and over. You need to let your right hand stretch out, left hand just rest comfortably on your thigh. Tilt your head to the left. Move around. You can again try that slight tuck of your chin towards your chest, see how that feels. You can take your ears straight out to the side. You can try lifting it a little bit. And just breathe. Come on up, bring a hand to the side of your head. Start to open that right elbow up and back, turning your chest open to where the ceiling and wall meet out to the side of you. And bring your elbow as far across towards your knee as you can. It can touch or not, either way works. Inhale, open it up. And exhale, bring it across. And again, please, yogi, open it up. You can use that left hand, a little bit of assist from that. And bring it across. Come to neutral and stretch up right arm or hand straight up. Hold on to the chair with your left and side stretch. So finding some sensation of stretch through the right side of your body. And again, you can keep your head just as it is neutrally, that's good. Or if it feels okay, you could turn your head down towards the floor. And then up towards your underarm. And back to neutral to re-engage with that side stretch. Fantastic, come on out, please, yogi. Roll your shoulders a couple of times. Well, let's now cross our right leg over the left. Take your left hand to the outside of a knee. If you can't cross your knees, that's fine. You could keep them just as they were next to one another. Left hand comes across to hold onto the thigh. Right hand holds onto the chair behind you. In fact, hold on there doesn't work for the chair seat that you've got. You can stretch your right arm straight back. And just look all the way back past your shoulder. And again, a stretch for the neck. Look all the way over your left shoulder. Staying the twist to the right, but your head's looking over the left. And look back again over your right shoulder. And just find just the right amount of twist, not forcing it. Relax your jaw and your eye. And come back to center. We'll do that same thing on the other side. Let's cross your left leg over the right. Your right hand comes to the outside of the leg. If you haven't got across, it works just the same. And stretch your left arm back. You can hold on to the chair. And if you have no chair to hold on to or it's the wrong height, send your left arm straight back. And you start to look back as far as you can. And breathe. It's like your breath is spiraling up and down your spine in this. Just clearing out any stuckness. You can look forwards of your right shoulder. Stay twisted the same way you are, so the body stays the same, just the head moving. And then looking back again. Keeping your chin pretty parallel to the earth as it goes. And back to neutral. Undo the legs. Let's take a neutralizing lift up through the chest. Soften to neutral. Take both hands forwards and up. Reach as high as you can. Big inhale. And exhale. Hands to heart center. Maybe you should close your eyes for a moment. Take another deep breath in. When you're full, pause for a moment. And exhale it fully. Thank you for joining me. Namaste. If you enjoyed this practice, please subscribe for more yoga videos and meditations.